Good morning one all to another daily vlogs, and all my vlogs are coming out on Thursdays. Now I've just been downstairs, I'm at the HG Cristian Sur, the shop connected to it that makes fresh sandwiches and that. And this, with a can of cork, and it cost me €6.20 to come and check it out. And it's an interesting day because Simon and Julie are throwing me out of the 2-bedroom apartment, and I'm still here for a week. Where to go? So to you, it just looks like a messy sandwich. To me, it's humongous. There's sausage, egg, bacon in there. That would fill up a whole plate, how much they've used on bacon. They don't hold back, it's all freshly made for you. And as I said, we got the can of Coke as well with it. This will fill me up more than a fry-up would, and it's half the price. So to me, it's 100% worth it in my opinion. So I'm going to get stuck in. So it's the shop right next to the Cristian Sur reception area. I don't think it opens on Sundays, but it's open almost every day from early morning to late evening, and you get fresh food in there, bacon sandwiches and that, pies, sausage rolls, pizzas, burgers. I do all that as well. And then they've got all the other stuff as well that you may need for your essentials as well while you're on holiday. What a shop, eh? What a shop. Just like that, they've booted me out. And I'm not making a big story out of it this time. I am moving. Danny's on his way tomorrow. I am moving to Park La Paz. To come with me on my little journey. In case, as I move over to Park La Paz, he might not be ready yet, but Simon's feeling a bit tired today. So I'm actually, because it's his last full day here, I'm going to leave them to it. And I'm just going to enjoy myself in Las Américas. We just saw Craig. He's got his sandwich and that to eat now. Did ask if he wants to come over, but if he doesn't check his messages, there's not much I can do that. I did say to him, have a safe flight home today. Unfortunately for him, his team Scotland lost last night to Morocco, so his last full night wasn't, football wise, wasn't the best, but I'm sure he's had an absolutely great time, and it's been great to catch up with him again. And I'll see him September in Orlando, Florida at Surfside Inn and Suites.
Packed up the backseat, map in the dash, your hair in the wind, cash in a stash. We roll past the fields where the roads turn gold. New names on the signs, new stories to hold. Coastal road open, windows down low, salt on our skin and the radio. We found a beach bar under a painted sky, cold drink in your hand. I watch time fly, and every mile feels lighter when the horizon keeps getting wider. You laugh, I lean in close. We go where the warm wind goes. Take me down that salt road.
So I'm here at the Park La Paz for a few nights. Well, 4 nights or 5 nights. I can't get it in my head. I'm with Danny, who's coming tomorrow. So I'm checking in today though, right here. It's easy for Danny, so when he gets here, because he's got an early morning flight, he's just got to do his passport and that out front reception, and he's straight in the room. The room may not be ready now for me, but I've been here for a week. I don't mind that. It's like a home, and I'm going to walk around Las Américas today anyway, and it's a lot easier for all this later on. So Park La Paz, here we are. Danny's moving in soon with me. Don't know if Simon or Julie will come down and see it, unfortunately. It does seem a bit run down. It has been a long week, a lot of drinking, and we're getting old. And obviously there will be a YouTube video coming very soon. So first impressions, very clean, very nice. Hello again people, it's been a bit of time. I actually got straight into this room at the Park La Paz, and you will get a tour on a separate video, but I am not always cruel. You can just about see a background behind me, but I'm giving you the views from the balcony now. So these are my views for the next few days, nights, whatever you want to say, just on La Paz strip. So I know it'll be loud at night, but through the daytime, look at them views of the Golden Mile. There's a Med Palace right there. I've stayed there. I do have a video on that if you'd like to go and check that. But here we are at the HG Tenerife Sur, and I'm telling you now, I'm absolutely happy with this. Just one thing I don't like, and some of you are saying we don't need to do that. Can't connect my bloody TV to my Chromecast or my phone. Sometimes I need to do it for work reasons and checking stuff on vlogs, but it's not the biggest problem because I don't need the TV with a view like that. Anyway, I am going to be heading back to see everyone soon. I wanted to get settled in. I'm just going to sort out the safe. I believe it's around €13 for the 5 nights that we're here, so it's not a bad price for a safe in my opinion. So I'm going to head downstairs and do that and head back. Hopefully say goodbye to Craig, who's travelling home today. Okay, I am back in Los Cristianos. Backwards and forwards I am in these two places. But I am coming to meet Mr. Willix himself. I said I'd come back at 4 o'clock, it's nearly 4. I thought I'd walk down this nice little path here to go and see him. And that's the HG Tenerife, so it's right there. I got off the 40 bus, so this route is actually easier than walking all the way around that way. And no one really uses it. So I thought to myself, let's walk this way, go and catch up with Mr. Willix, have a drink with him at Buddies. Then I might actually head back to Las Américas. Thinking about having a 3-course meal today, one of the cheaper ones, or I might get a cheeky little pizza and go down the seaside area, just taking the weather, taking the sea like I've done before, you know, that sort of shit. People, it's Craig's last hour or so out here in Tenerife. I'm not smiling, he's not happy with me, and I'm sticking around here until Thursday. But Craig, it's been a pleasure seeing you again, mate.
Good seeing you.
Yeah, okay.
And we'll probably run into each other in Orlando at some point.
See, well, we're in the same hotel, mate, we're going to see each other. Going to see our mate at the bar. Yes. I've got his name. Garrett, and that's it. Go and get our atomic slime.
Remember how to make them.
The atomic slime. Anyway, people, we're going to enjoy our drinks, so back in a bit. Craig, apparently your brother, so this Craig, you're the brother, you watch these, don't you? Now, Craig won't tell me your name, so comment down below and say, I'm Craig's brother, and say your name. But you should come out on holiday with Craig. Craig should come with you. Family matters. I have family holidays. Come on, Craig, do it. Okay, this is it, people. Craig, the Scottish man who lost to Morocco.
Still in that fourth, but we're top of the league of third place teams just now.
Wow, participation trophy, that's why it's in the USA. Anyway, Craig is heading home in a minute. I'm going to get out of the way of these people. No, they're going in there. It's okay. He is heading home. Who are you flying with?
Flying with Ryanair. So hopefully I'll get home.
I hope it's not too busy, mate. Let me know how it goes at the airports. I will report back to people if you got through easy or not. Okay, people, check out Craig on absolutely nothing because he doesn't do any podcasts or YouTube.
No. Bye.
But nice seeing you again, mate. And I'll see you September.
Yes.
Yeah, as you may have noticed, when I've moved me down to the bottom and I've figured out how to make it smaller again. What's good? Anyway, I've just left Simon and Julie. They're definitely having a very chilled last day here. What's fine? I'm going to meet tonight at Buddies. We've decided to depart properly tonight. I'm going to move properly over to the other resort. Gives them one, that to themselves for the night. And 2, I don't have to be like quiet and worried about them, knowing that they need to sleep and that. And they've booked it until till they leave at 5 PM ish. It's €40 and it's cash in the HG Cristian Sur. If the room's free, you can keep it up until you leave apparently, but depending obviously if someone else is booking it. But yeah, so they're there, and obviously I'm now heading back to the bus stop just down the road here to get the bus back to Las Américas. Got my rucksack. I moved with the last bits I left in because I thought I was going to stay overnight, but I've got to go back to the Park La Paz. As I said, the shower's so much better. So there we have it, people. I've made a fuck up. I looked at Google Maps and said 450, and I forgot the 450 go certain ways at certain times, and I got on the wrong bus, and I'm in the middle of nowhere right now. The bus stop's just over there. I've just missed the bus back, unfortunately. So now I'm going to have to wait for a bus back to Los Cris, and then get on the right bloody bus. But there you go, people. Don't always trust Google, because it said the best bus to get was a 450. I got on the 450. Now I'm going to go and try and rush and make this one. Crisis averted. The bus I got straight on brought me to Las Américas. So if you're never too sure, especially with the 450, don't take that risk with the 450, I say. Get the other ones. But it only took me 10 minutes to get back to where I'm meant to be. I am quickly just taking some stuff back to the hotel, and then we'll go and make a vlog somewhere of a resort, maybe something like that. And not a resort, food, Phill. It's time for a foodie restaurant. Thinking of going down to Las Américas pier area, sea area, it's the same. Well, I'm good with my words today, aren't I? And having a pizza down there, a nice little drink, and just chill for a little bit, then go back to the resort, maybe have a little nap. You know, about 9 o'clock I'm going to meet Simon and Julie tonight. Buddies, I might get there a little earlier in them, in all fairness, just in case they decide not to go, and then I would have wasted a journey, but I might get there about 8:30ish from the bus, and the right bloody bus. But obviously I am back here at Phill La Paz, Park La Paz, but obviously Parque La Paz, it's the official name. I think Phill La Paz is better though, Gaz, mate. You know, Park La Paz was fine, it was 2024 style, but Phill La Paz is definitely 26 onwards style for now. Obviously that is not the Park La Paz I'm looking at, I'm thinking. That is the Andorra Hotel, another one I thought about staying at. But the Park La Paz is just down this road here, and when we get to it, anyway, anybody stayed at the Andorra actually? Let me know. Is it worth it? Is it 2-bedroom apartments, 1-bedroom apartments? Give me the layout of it all. Is it free Wi-Fi, deposit, everything? I want to know it all. Quickly trying something, and this may be the only vlog ever because I don't like it. You can see me, you can see we're walking past in Andorra. I don't see any of their cats. I was hoping to find their cats, but they're not always out. Used to have a lot of cats in there. But there is Park La Paz coming up. So that side of me, let's see people. Very different. I just want to try different things. That's a big wall, amazing, eh? But here is Park La Paz now. Tell the truth, I didn't like it, so I've gone back to this one. So we are here, it's nice. This is the main road, scooter area it seems. I'm going back in, and obviously I'm getting ready to go out for a little bit, have something nice to eat. You absolute lovely people. I wonder what you think of these daily vlogs, honestly. Now I am on my way down to the beach area. Have something to eat, not having anything super fancy. We're going to get back and still get changed. The microphone's on. I've just been doing some recording of Park La Paz, walking around as well. Probably not my best work, if truth be told. It was more of informative. I wanted to have fun this trip, but this one felt like, because it was the first time in there, I just wanted to give much informative stuff as I can, and show people around it who may have never stayed there. I like walking around the whole resort, finding little gems, little hidden areas, and things that people may not have even seen online themselves yet. Anyway, I don't want to mess about on here. I'm going to get down there, get to a beach. Oh, seeing the mountains, and just then panning to your left and seeing the sea. Don't get that in Crawley. I'm just walking down, I was nearly tempted to go to McDonald's, because I'm just looking at time, but I'm going to try saying something as quick as possible here. I just want a pizza and chill, but McDonald's nearly became the option today. It's weird when you're on your own, you start all of a sudden looking at the Mackie D's and that, and it still actually may be the option, because I'm just thinking I need to go out. I've got to get back and get changed, and I can record these other ones with Danny, and then it makes it a little better, because it ain't me on my own, someone else to talk on there as well with me. So I think I've just made my decision. I can't believe this. Tonight, to dinner, is going to be McDonald's, if it's still open. So there we go, we got the deluxe. What's a nice burger. I want to see what this chicken burger looks like. Pretty much British design. This is what you don't get in my area. Cheesy fries with bacon, the Coke. I do have an ice cream cone, but I don't get these views. Look at that for a view. And then beautiful views while eating McDonald's. What a gourmet meal, eh? I'm surprised I didn't make a vlog on it. No me needed on video, because look at that slow set, sunset. I'm going to have to figure out a time for a sunset because I want to go down and watch it this trip. But the sun is slowly going down now. But I am getting the bus to Los Cristianos. I'm going to everyone's favourite place, what they moan about, because I go there all the time. Even though there's loads of vlogs of me going to other bars and restaurants now, but we have to ignore them ones. We go to Buddies. There you go, people. I've had a drink with Simon and Julie. I have left them now. There was no recording because it didn't feel like it should be a recording night to me personally. So I have left them. They've gone back to Cristian Sur. I'm heading back to Las Américas. Hopefully we'll pop in to see them tomorrow before they go home. It really depended on Danny now, if he's got the energy to come down here, because it'll be a flight day for him. I don't want to pressurise him in his very first day out here to do stuff, because that annoys me when people ask me to do stuff on my very first day, because it's a long travel day, and Danny's an old boy now. And I'm not as old as him, and I'm a lazy bastard though. So I am now walking back to the bus stop to get back to, I was about to say the Cristian Sur there, but we're not staying there, Phil. We are now at Park La Paz. So I am heading back to Las Américas, and this time I better get on the bloody right bus. Thanks for watching. Stay epic.